Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent Pasen, or in English Easter. This is how we pronounce Pasen. Pasen. The emphasis is on the first syllable. Pasen. Pa-sen. Pasen. Pasen falls on 2 days, which we call Eerste Paasdag and Tweede Paasdag, first and second Easter day. It always falls on the first Sunday after the first full moon of spring. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. And we do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. Tot ziens!